Hello, Peter Mischok. As a managing director of the IGEPA IT service, GmbH, you are responsible for the strategy and implementation of information technologies within the IGEPA group. You held a keynote at the DOAG 2012 Applications Conference in Berlin, in which you related, casually speaking, that you recently gave SAP the slip for the second time. 1999 was the first time, after an evaluation phase. Can you explain to us briefly what the main reasons were for this?
Yes, we restarted the evaluation exactly 2.5 years ago. It is a normal process within the IGEPA group. At the end of a software lifecycle, in this case, a lifecycle of 8 or 9 years, we put our approach and product strategy to the test and neutrally evaluated them. We compared, amongst others, SAP with Oracle J.D. Edwards 9.0 to determine our future product strategy. With our process expert, we set up a complete blueprint project. It took about 6 months. The focus was, of course, on the impact on the infrastructure on the one hand, and on the other hand, on the scope of services related to our requirements of our business processes. Other important points were the usability and the product strategy in the coming years in terms of support of event-driven workplaces. For us, it is prospectively a key point. This analysis delivered a clear vote in favor of Oracle J.D. Edwards. The decisive factor was the total cost which a software realignment would have generated. We estimated it would have been in a 2-digit million amount. In this respect, we had the cost aspect clearly favoring Oracle. Then, the second aspect was that the usability had been clearly rated in favor of J.D. Edwards, indeed from the people who have to work with the product every day. After that, we met with Oracle in the USA to discuss the roadmap and product strategy of Oracle J.D. Edwards. Then it became clear to us that we will have a long life cycle with appropriate assistance and protection of investment for the next 10 years and beyond. In addition to that, we have the option of integrating Oracle Fusion applications as another alternative in our strategy. In this respect, we decided to go this way to extensively release J.D. Edwards, what we successfully archived in April. In the future couple of years, we will definitely firstly optimize our process as part of the business strategic orientation of the group. Secondly, we will bring the mobility topic ahead. The 9.0 release of J.D. Edwards supports mobility capacities much better than our previous version. We will use these innovative technologies to optimize the structure of the sales force in conjunction with the office staff. And we want to employ this usability more actively in our corporate governance.
Well, you have already anticipated my next questions. I wanted to ask how you would want to manage it in the future. You mentioned the event-driven workplaces. They are part of the new concept that Oracle communicates in relation to Oracle Fusion applications and bring a lot of benefits for the usability of J.D. Edwards, because the development team uses the experience that has been gained in these usability labs to bring J.D. Edwards forward. Are you in a similar situation? What was it you meant with the term event-driven workplace?
I got the inspiration at the Oracle Open World in San Francisco last year and was encouraged to think in that direction. Historically, the current ERP systems come from the transactional area. The question that we must now ask ourselves is this approach still appropriate for the development of a company in which we need more and more dynamicity, flexibility, and velocity? Or do we need IT systems and performance products which are perfectly tailored to the requests and tasks of the employees? I follow rather the vision of a workplace that is highly adjustable to the needs of the employees within their company activities. Oracle clearly supports that point with its current product strategy. I think it's unique at this time. On the one hand, it would be fair to say that we firstly need to wait and see how the product standards of Oracle Fusion applications evolve. And on the other hand, of course, we have the question, is it also a software solution for medium-sized businesses, and is it affordable for them?
Thank you. Then we hope that we can welcome you soon as a new Fusion Applications customer. Thank you.